Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in today's video, I will show you how you can make your iPhone turn on after a certain time. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, put your likes. Also please don't forget to write your comments after watching the video. And let's get to our topic. So, open up the settings on your iPhone. Scroll down a little bit, and here go to a section called Display and Brightness. Here also scroll down a little bit and you will see Auto Lock. Go to it, and here you can see that there are different times after which your iPhone can automatically turn off. And you can easily customize this time from 30 seconds to 5 minutes. Choose the one that you are comfortable with just by tapping on it. You can also choose the last option, which is never. If you don't want your iPhone to turn off after a certain amount of time, but note that if you choose never, it's going to drain extra battery power, so I recommend you put some time on it. And let's say if you forget to turn off your iPhone, it will automatically turn off itself, let's say after 2 or 3 minutes, which will save your battery. Friends, I really hope this video was useful for you. You have seen how you can make your iPhone turn off after a certain time. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write comments, put your likes, and see you soon.